Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your Binance homepage. So this is my Binance. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your Binance. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your Binance homepage layout. So this is my Binance layout. If you want to change it, it's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps, and then in this page you can hold this one like this, hold the screen, and then you can see there is option to edit homepage. You can click it, and then you can choose the homepage like this. I will change it. Let's see, I will change to this one. I will click confirm, and you can also edit this one like this, or you can also move it like this and like this. Let's try it, and yeah, and the layout will like this. So if you want to the list on the top, you can just hold it and like this, press it like this and click checklist, and this is your new Binance homepage. And I think that's it guys, and this will make your Binance homepage more friendly for you. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.